Hello. Today I will explain you how to use ISHA-Support-Ticket-System. When you open our website, you can see very clearly on the right bottom corner there is an image with support written on it, and you can click here. This picture is visible on all pages of ISHA website. So whenever you go, whichever the page you go to, you can always see very clearly this picture for support. You can close this window here. So it's always visible bottom right corner, and this will lead you to this page. See, it's explained very nicely here. And here, if you have already an ISHA account, you can log in here with your own account. So whatever email or the password you have, you can log in here. If you do not have it, there is an option to register now. So we will now make a new registration, and we will write the first name, and let's make it a test. Last name test2. Let's make username test3, and we'll write our email. So I'll make just for example test3. Okay, and here you will make your password. Okay, so those are all the informations you need to enter so you can make your account. And it's much easier for you to register for an account, because as a registered user, you will always have your account in ISHA, and you will always have access to your orders, you will always have access to your support tickets, and you can always follow up earlier support tickets, future, everything in one place. If you do not make an account and you make always a support ticket without registration and without logging in, then you will always have just a link to follow your support ticket. If you lose that link, you will not be able to find your early support ticket. So if you're a registered account user, then you will have everything in one place. You can track your orders, you can see your earlier invoices, you can ask for invoices, and there is very much options you can see if you make your account here. So we will register. Okay, and as a registered account, we have an options to save our username, test3, and our password here, and I will make that save. I suggest you to do the same if you're using your personal computer. If it's a public computer, don't save it. So we can see clearly as a new user, we do not have any new tickets, of course. So you can click here to show the filters, all tickets, unresolved, close it. Also some other filters that can be found here, or to reset the filters and see all the messages. What we are going to do now, we are going to make a new ticket, of course, and select a category. So here is important to pick a category so we can forward your ticket and your question, your issue you might have, to the right person in our company. It's always important to check very, very carefully where will that go. If you're unsure, just put the general. We will check what's going on and forward this to the right person in the company. So the subject, also it's important to put this. We will see in the subject of your email. We will see in this case others, and the date of your writing, because you can schedule your email for a future date. It will be today's date. Okay, now your name, I'm going to put this. Oh, we were going to change this. No, it's going to be the same. Okay, it's saved from your data already. Okay, that's inserted. This is the subject of your writing to us. We can just put here test and description. So you just put here all of the issues you might have. Write it here. You have unlimited space to write it. So just insert as much text as you need. Also, you can attach file here inside this field, or you can attach file additionally. Priority is also important, because in some days when there is so much requests, it's important for us to concentrate on the requests and issues with a very high priority. And in case you're not sure, put it on the medium. and that's just fine. If you have earlier bought some product from us, or you have questions about that specific product, you can check here and find the product here, click about it, and we will know about which exact product you're asking us your question. So this is very convenient. You do not need to copy the link, you don't need to write anything. You just pick the product, and this is all you need to do. Also, order. This is also important. If you have previous orders, there might be 2, 5, 10, 20 orders, you can also check that specific order about which one you are asking us about, and we will know that your issue is about that specific order. Sometimes people make several orders in one day, and we need to know about which of those orders. It's very important to know. Also about ISHA Gold resellers, they make many orders during one day. We need to know about which order they are asking us about, what is going on, and so we know what we need to check. In this case, as a new user, you will not have an option to select an order, and you just need to pass the security button here. You're not a robot. This is just a security. And you have to, of course, check that you have agreed with our terms and conditions. You can click on it, of course, and see terms and conditions. Afterwards, you just click on the submit ticket, and the ticket will be sent. See? So, dear friend, you just got your request, and confirmation has been sent to your email. This is the email you have specified in your data. We'll do our best to answer your request as soon as possible. Ticket ID is 1121. And this is the ticket link. In cases that you do not have your registration, you have not done your registration with ISHA, this link you can always have saved, and you can always follow on this link our answers on your issue. In case you're registered user, you do not need to have this link. You can always register, or you can always log in here, and you can always follow our answers. Of course, our answers will come directly to your inbox. So this email you have put here, it will always come your answers that we reply to. And this is it. This is everything you need to do. Now, we have received your email. You will get our answer on your email, or you can follow it here in the ISHA ticket system. Now, there is two options you can do now. You can make a new ticket. If you have another issue, if you have several issues, it's sometimes best to open several tickets, or you can go to ticket list and follow your tickets. So that you can see status is open, subject, category, date update, priority. So this is something you can do. You can always, of course, check your ticket. When there is time, you can delete it if you don't want to have it many here. So you can always follow your ticket. In case there is many tickets, you can follow the pages here, and let's open that ticket. So you see, there is now several options here. Status is open, priority medium, ticket fields, product which we choose, and this is your message. And here you can add some other data. For example, you have forgot to add something, and you will just add some other text or some other image, and you can submit a reply. And this is completely okay. You can add text and messages as much as you want in the cases you forgot to have something. And in the cases where we reply to you immediately, you will get the answer on your email, and you will, of course, also, you can see it here. Now, I will, on the second computer, I will just post here answer. So, I will just post an answer on this ticket. I'm doing this on the other computer, so you do not see that. But in this case, now you will get an email with confirmation that there is an answer for your ticket. Now we go back to ticket list and look at this. You're seeing here black notification which is saying awaiting customer reply. This means that we have answered your ticket. You can open it, and you can see that I have answered just with a simple word answer. So this is something that it can be very soon seen on the ticket link. It is also almost immediately sent to your email. Also, yes, be sure to check the spam folder, junk folder, whichever email software you're using. Sometimes it can happen that it can end up there. It shouldn't. In 99% cases, it shouldn't end up there, but in some cases, it may end up there. So check also your spam and junk folder just in case. If you have any doubts, just follow the link you have received. Save that link somewhere in your notes, and you can always follow that link or just log into your account. So you can do it here. See my account on top left corner in top menu. You can go into my account, and there is many things you can do from here. So you see there is just to close this. So you can create a global invoice in case you have already made some purchases. You can see and check your orders. Yeah, now we do not have it. You can go to shop and make your order, or you can go to downloads. In case you have purchased something that needs to be downloaded, you can also do this here. It's very, very convenient. Now, in cases you need to fill out your old data, you can do this here in addresses. You have an option to add billing address, you have an option to add shipping address. So you can click on the add and you can fill all of your data. And this is saved for all future purchases. So it's very, very convenient to have something like this here. And if you move to some other address or want to have another shipping address because you're currently on in some other place, you can always change this and add later. Also, there is an option for payment methods. Yeah, you can add your payment methods here. Here are account details. Yeah, so this is something we have entered at the moment we have created the account. You have the option to log out, and you have here an option to see your support tickets. Very, very convenient. You see? So it will load very fast, and here is it. So you can always check here. So it's on the left, completely on the bottom link. You can see your support tickets and you can follow them here as much as you have it. And I think this is everything I have wanted to cover in this post. So everything you have to ask, just feel free to follow the support link, ask us about this, and we will answer as soon as possible. Yeah, you have an option to search your tickets or whatever. If you post here some words and enter on your dashboard on your computer, you can find your ticket. So this is everything I wanted to show you. Everything you have to ask, feel free to ask. We're always here to help, and this is our pleasure to help you. Have a nice day.